Exercise 3.4, third sum. Third sum is factorize using a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so identity they given, simply you want to substitute and find the answer. Very easy, no? But before doing the answer, you must check the given question in the form of a cube plus b cube or not. Okay, so the given question is 2a cube plus 16. Actually, what is the identity we are using? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus a b square. Got it? Now, you must check whether this a in cube or not. What is a here? 2a cube. What is a cube here? 2a cube. So, cube and cube is there. So, a is equal to 2a. A is equal to 2a. Okay. Now, let's check the b. B in cube, but here we have only 16. There is no cube here. Got it? So, cube is missing. So, first what you want to do, no? You want to express this number as a cube. Then only it will be in the form of b cube. Okay, here a in cube, here given a is also in cube, so it is equal. Okay, now 16 is there. Now 16 you want to express as cube. You want to express as cube. Cube is nothing but when you are writing a same number with multiplication in 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So think about 16. Okay, so 16 when will you get actually? Yes, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. You just think any other number. You should get 16. It should be in cube. 3 times you want to multiply a same number and the answer should be 16. Will you get? No. So, you just write what you know. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. So, here we can write it as 2 8s are 16. Here we have 2a. Here also we have 2. Okay. Let's express this 8 again. 2 into, when will you get 8? When will you get 8? 4 2s are 8. Am I correct? Now again you just write it as 2 into 4 again can be expressed as 2 2s are 4. This 2 from the first one, 4 we can express as 2 into 2, then finally into 2. Okay, so now what do you want? Actually we want only cube. We want only cube. So how many 2 we can take? Only 3 2 we can take. So 2 into 2 cube. Write like this. 2 into 2 cube. 2 into 2 cube. Now we can write like this. A cube plus b cube is equal to 2a cube plus 16 can be written as 2 into 2 cube. 2 into 2 cube. Now check the steps. 2 here plus 2 here. So in the first term we have 2. In the second term also we have 2. So that we can take the 2 outside. Now what is inside the bracket? 2 we took outside. So a cube plus here from here we can take this 2 outside. What is remaining? 2 cube. Now it is very easy. It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. You can keep this 2 as such. Don't want to do any changes. You all understood? So here I expressed as a factors of 16. 16 I expressed as a factors. After that I need only cube. So the remaining 2 I kept as such. Then here in the first one we have 2. In the second one also we have 2. So I took it outside as a common number. Now you just do the calculation only for the things inside the bracket. Okay. Now the formula is a cube plus b cube. Okay. So 2 you just keep it as such. You just apply the formula which is inside the bracket. So 2 put a bigger bracket. After that in the place of a what is there? A only. Compare this to a cube. So a is equal to a. In the place of b what is there? 2. So b is equal to 2. Now simply substitute in this formula, that's all. So a plus 2 into a square, in the place of a only, so a square. If suppose in the place of a b is there, you just write it as b square. If suppose r is there, you just write r square. If suppose 8a is there, you just write it as 8a square. That's all, very easy. Okay, after that a square minus ab. What do you mean by ab? A into b. So a into b is a into 2. A into 2 can be written as 2a. A into 2 can be written as 2a. A into 2 can be written as 2a. After that plus b square. What is b? 2 square. So you just write it as 2 square. That's all. Now we will get the answer as 2 into a plus 2 into a square minus 2a. 2 square can be written as 2 2s are 4. So we got the final answer as 2 into a plus 2 into a square minus 2a plus 4. That's all, very simple. Only this step if you are doing carefully, then the remaining will be very easy. Okay, I will give one homework sum, you just try it.